In this lesson, I'm going to show you how we can use the trim, split, and crop function for video clips in Canva. In our previous lessons, I used this file. I want to delete those tracks. I don't need those tracks. Now you can see I have some unwanted empty tracks also. I want to delete that. I use the shortcut key delete. And here also I delete that. I delete this clip also. So now we have 3 video clips and we have 1 audio track. So let me show you how we use the trim function at present. So to use the trim function, I want to select a particular video clip. After choosing that video clip, you can see at the top in this navigation bar, I have the option called trim. So you can see the scissor icon here and it shows you the total duration of this video clip. With the help of this trim function, I can select the particular area alone from the beginning to end. I just pause this play. I can select the starting point of this video clip. I can also select the end point of the video clip. Now if I want to move, yes, I can move the navigation from starting to end. So if I want to confirm the selection area, yes, I can choose this option done. So when I choose done, that clip will be automatically cropped or trimmed with the particular space I have selected here. And at any time I can come back here and I can expand. The source is there only. So this is how we perform the trim function using this option in Canva. Now when I choose the clip and if I want to perform the same trim function either in the beginning or end, I can use the same option here. To do that, I just select the clip and I come to the end or to the beginning of this particular video clip. You can see now we have the one white bar here. I can just click there and drag towards right hand side so that I can trim the particular video clip at the beginning. In the same way, I can come to this place, I can just click here and drag towards left hand side so that I can trim at the end. So in this way also, if you want to trim the video clip in quick manner, you can trim using this. And now after this trim function, I'm going to show you how you can split the video into 2 segments or multiple segments. To do that, I come to this place. So you have to place your needle where you want to split. After placing your needle, you have to use the shortcut key yes. Or you can right click there and you can choose this option split. I click this split and you can see that video was turned into 2 segments. And wherever I need, I just place and I choose the shortcut key which is yes. So you can see that I can split the video into multiple segments and I can process according to my need. So this is how we split the video clip in Canva. So it's very much useful tool for us. Now after the split function, I'm going to show you how we can use the crop function in Canva. Now I come to this clip. You can see I have the girl who played tennis. I want the girl alone with a small background, not the entire background. Right now it was a mid shot. I need to convert that as a close-up shot. So what I do here is when I want to trim the particular video clip, it should be the separate clip, not as a background object. Right now it was locked with the background. So I right click here and I choose this unlock background. Okay, I was unlocked first. Now I right click here again and I choose detach video from the background. So you can see now the video was separated from the background. I can have the preview here. And I want to trim, which means I want to crop the particular video clip now. So to crop the particular video clip, I select the particular video clip first. And after that, I choose this option, which is crop. I click here. And when I click that, it shows you the crop option properties. And here I have the free form, which means you can trim according to your hand mouse movement. You can see that. And the second one is original. So when I adjust, all those corners will maintain aspect ratio. That's what is called original. And you have the 1:1 aspect ratio. With a single click, you can select 1:1 aspect ratio with that particular video clip, or 16:9, or 9:16. So based on the need, you can select what kind of aspect ratio you require. You do have 5:4, 4:5. So all those aspect ratios are available here for our video editing process. Now again, I go to this place. I want to choose this 16:9 because that was my document dimension. And I want to choose how I need the clip here. And you can have the preview. You can see that you have the preview also. So if you want, you can have the preview also. So this is how we perform this script function in Canva. And I just choose the same, crop again. You do have the option called rotate. So if I want to rotate the clip in particular degree value in a plus or minus, you can do that function also using these options. So we can adjust if you want, or else I just keep that into 0%. Now I want to select that 16:9 again. You can see in the same 16:9, I just expand the particular video clip little more. I want to use that as a mid shot, not a long shot. So right now it's fine. I choose this option done. And after that, I want to right click and I want to choose to set the video as a background, so that you can see before we just crop this particular video clip, it shows the entire court of the tennis, but here it shows only the the particular girl who play the tennis game. So now we'll have the better focus. That was the reason why we use the crop and show and focus only that major subject what we have on screen. So this is how we use all these three major editing functions. Trim using this, the trim option here, and trim at the beginning, at the end, and we use a split option to split the video clip into multiple clips, and we use that crop function with the maintaining aspect ratio, or if you want to change, you can change the aspect ratio, and you can crop and you can utilize according to your need. So this is how we use those three options: trim, split, and crop in Canva.